ever dropped the clutch, you're rivet. If you've ever smoked them up, you're a rivet. If your ties are white and your t-shirt's black, if your very first date was at the speedway track, it's time to face the fact you're a rivet. If you love Peter Brock, you're a rivet. If you've ever chucked a lap round the block, you're a rivet. If you got a spoiler and a set of